Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to factorize an expression. So how to factorize x to the 4 plus 4 multiplied by y to the 4. Okay, this expression. So there are two ways to factorize expression in general. First, we are going to see common factors in terms, or we are going to use common identities. Okay, and I have written some on the left. So here, unfortunately, there are no common factor on both terms. So we are going the other way around. We are going to use common identities. So let's get started. So first, let's rewrite the first and the second term with square. So x4 is x square plus, and the second term is 2 multiplied by y square. So we are almost like the first identity here, a plus b squared equals a squared plus b squared plus 2 multiplied by a multiplied by b. Okay, so excuse me for the noise. I had to stop the video for a moment. So as I said, we have 2 square here, and we are almost like the first identity here, a plus b squared. So we need another term like 2 times a times b. Okay, so let's use a trick here and write the third term like it was here. Okay, so 2 plus 2 multiplied by x squared multiplied by 2 multiplied by y squared. Okay. So 2 times a times b. So the trick here is to remove the term here because we added it to the sum, so we have to subtract it. So minus 2, and let's calculate. So it's 4 x squared times y squared. So let's write minus 4 x squared y squared. Okay. And let's rewrite. Okay, so and now we can rewrite this expression as a squared plus b squared. So it is x x squared plus 2 y squared minus 4 times x squared times y squared. Okay, and we can notice that here we have a square because 4 is 2 square. And now we are going to use the second identity, that is here, a squared minus b squared equals a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Okay, so here we can rewrite expression here. You can say it's 2 squared. Okay. And if you know the rule of exponent, the exponent laws, we can rewrite this expression as 2xy squared. Okay, because we can distribute the exponent. So let's rewrite 2xy squared. So let's use the second identity here. So we can rewrite as x squared plus 2y squared minus 2x multiplied by y and here another factor x squared plus 2y squared plus this time 2xy. So now we have factorized our expression x to the 4 plus 4 multiplied by y to the 4. But if we look closely, we can notice that we can still factorize it again, because here we have, if we could get rid of the 2 here, okay, we would have a common identity. Okay, if I remove the 2, the factor 2 here, we have x squared plus y squared minus 2xy. Okay, so this is another common identity. This is a minus b squared, which is a squared plus b squared minus 2 times a times b. Okay. So the only thing we have to do here is to rewrite the expression so we have x squared plus y squared minus 2xy and plus y squared here, because there are 2, this is 2y squared, so I've distributed the y squared here. So I have my common identity here, and here I can do the same. Okay, so we'll have x squared plus y squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Okay. And I have my common identity here, a plus b squared. So let's not forget that those are factors. Okay, it's a product. So let's rewrite. We have x plus y square plus y square multiplied by x, excuse me, it's minus here. Here this is minus y and not plus y. Okay, so we have x minus y square. So it's x square plus y square minus 2xy. And here we have x plus, this time, y square plus y square. And that's our answer. So we have factorized x to the 4 plus 4 y to the 4. So if you have another solution to factorize, please let me know in the comment below. And please book the like buttons and subscribe. Goodbye.